Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to share contact details on Telegram using the latest update. Whether you want to send someone's number to a friend or quickly share your own contact, Telegram makes it simple once you know where to tap. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on your main chat screen. Next, open the chat of the person whose contact details you want to share. This can be a private conversation or any chat where the contact is already saved. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on your friend's name. This will open their profile page, where you can see more details and options related to that contact. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots icon. This will open a small menu with additional actions you can take. From this menu, tap on Share Contact. As soon as you do that, Telegram will prompt you to choose where you want to send this contact. You can select any chat, group, or even a channel. Simply pick the destination, confirm your choice, and the contact details will be instantly shared. And that's it. It only takes a few taps, and you can quickly send contact information without manually typing anything. This feature is especially useful when you want to connect people, share business contacts, or save time while chatting. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.